This is 2012 Suzuki Splash with K12B engine. And in this video, I'm showing you the locations of the chassis number, the engine number, and the fin plate. So this is a good size small family car. There is plenty of headroom and the interior feels spacious. And the ride is firm and can be a little bouncy. So the chassis number is located on the left hand side on slide mounted on the vehicle firewall. So on the vehicle firewall, you can see the chassis number on the left hand side of the firewall, as you can see over there. That is the chassis number. While the engine number is located on the right hand side between the engine block and the gearbox. So as you can see over there, between the engine block and the gearbox is where you can easily see the engine number. There, that's the engine number. While the fin plate is located on the front passenger door pillar, as I'm showing you on the video. So on the front passenger door pillar, so you can see the fin plate. There it is. That is the fin plate.